I'm going to show you how to remove the alternator belt. In my case, I have removed a lot of parts here so I can film this better and show you properly where you install your ratchet, so you can put tension on the tensioner, and then that will allow you to loosen the belt. So in your case, you may have to get some access around hoses and stuff like that, but I hope this helps you. This is a 16mm knot. So once you've done that, then you can loosen up your belt, slide it out of here. You've got the air conditioning pipes slightly in the way, which are obstructing a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. You've got two 16mm bolts that I can see here. And there's the bottom bolt.